In urban traffic, many problems begin with very small decisions. A car parked in the wrong place for just a few minutes can be enough to trigger a chain reaction. Park time captures the moments when a choice that seems harmless leads to an ending no one expects. This shows a lack of consideration for the people around you. Even luxury cars still have to pay the fine. Don't take parking spaces reserved for people with disabilities, my friend. The price is not a light one.
Guys, I'm gonna run y'all through real quick. Just got done to
Come on,
drive,
buddy.
plus some
You've been
Mercedes,
parked
you
here
wanna
long
get it
enough.
off the ground anyway. Every car, period, but high-end cars, I always keep them off the ground.
These two dogs look genuinely shocked by the delivery driver's skills. A small parking fine would have cost far less than taking such a dangerous action. Your car really shouldn't be sitting in the bike lane. Parking also requires knowing where you belong, my friend. This neighborhood didn't tow the car, it turned it into a piece of art. I honestly have no idea what he was thinking. You'd think she was going to get out and push the car, right? He thought doing this would help him avoid a fine. That's just insane. This is how she parked the car when she wasn't confident behind the wheel. She paid the price for parking so aggressively. Take this damn thing away, I don't need a divider.
Back up and ram it. We'll just take her on.
Oh no, don't do that, sister. Why get this angry? What has this road been through? Do you know? Let me know in the comments. Bro, that's not a good look. That's what you get for stopping at a red light but crossing the line. Fighting over a parking spot like this, how normal is that? Waking up and suddenly finding a new friend like this would surprise anyone. What on earth is he doing? All he had to do was reverse a little and adjust. The sign is right in front of you, don't ignore it. His confidence didn't even survive the first hit. Instead of letting someone else scratch the car, he scratched it himself and then had it repainted. Even luxury cars get towed when they park in the wrong place, right, my friend? Parking like this is way over the line, and the price is painfully high. This game is neither fun nor safe. Don't follow his example. His car got surrounded by trash bins, the cost of stealing the garbage truck's parking space.
I see this letter on my car. I parked at my homeboy's crib.
What do you think about this? Who parked incorrectly here?
I'm on the sidewalk. I'm on public property.
You need to leave my property.
A parking spot is never worth turning shared space into tension or damaging neighborly relationships. Not a single wasted move, just one grab. Hopefully the pants stayed dry. Oh no, please make sure you stay safe. The sea looks beautiful. Let me go for a quick swim. Don't get mad at your partner and take it out on someone else's property. It seems they have no interest in resolving things calmly. Skip the gym today. This workout should be enough. Plastic wrap turns out to be a surprisingly popular tool for revenge. Take it easy, sister. This kind of jealousy takes a lot of energy. If he taught me how to drive, I might have passed my license test last week. What did this car go through to end up this dirty? Some fools still choose to park next to fire hydrants, and this is the price they pay.
Oh, look at her. Look at her. She's getting crazy.
No matter how angry you are at your husband, you shouldn't do something like this.
She's going all crazy. She's hitting every car.
Don't park in front of my house, you jerk. When cars park on sidewalks, the first people affected aren't traffic, but vulnerable individuals who lose their safe path. A mild act of revenge against a car that took her parking spot. Hurry up, go buy some black and blue disinfectant to treat this situation. Luckily, that woman was safe. Drive carefully, everyone. The car is relaxing after a long, exhausting day on the road. This is how local authorities punish illegally parked cars. It must be an especially hot summer, so hot that even cars need a dip in the river. On the streets, not everyone gets to see the consequences of their decisions in time, but the camera does. Park Time records the moments when a small action leads to a big outcome. If you want to keep following these very real stories, don't forget to follow Park Time.